Hadin ke jingpun bena ke Election Commission of India ECI ye katarik nak benta ke election MLA siteng samoy hagam begre constituency nak liang ke Bharatiya Janata Party ru kala don ke jingpun kre ban sei ye lau Kyrtong hak ne ke election bad ya kani lapen tep dau noi lam ke BJP Meghalaya uba AL hack Haba pentep ikani sigilat patai kubor haka khat nyau tere urisa arja arpsa uba hek ulaang. Bawat la ke BJP kampat penbenayo Kyrtong kila dan kat tu kat ningut ki balapan tiket banyakun haka ni ke election. Nalor kata ulaang baka parti na Meghalaya kan Hiar Nongbah Delhi haka arpu wai tere urisa banyakran lor kani.
You have already taken the name of the candidate. Now tell me, the party they are going to set up the candidate for the Gambangre by-election. Now there are 2-3 aspirants which has not officially applied, but once they will apply, definitely the party will take the best decision whom to be ticket to be selected.
So who are these aspirants? Who are these aspirants? We can leave
No,
them.
but just only aspiring. Aspiring cannot be officially mentioned.
When the party will ask for the aspiring candidates to.
So, we are going for a meeting on the 21st to Delhi to discuss this with the national level, and also we have discussion also now also virtually discussion with the national leaders to set up the candidate for the by-election. The NDA government led by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There are so many schemes it is given for the poorest of the poor, for the poor people. There's so many development been doing from the central government. That is our mantra. But it is up to the choice of the people. I fully endorse to what you are saying. The BJP, they have announced very late for the official candidate. So this time we have told them, that's why they just announced only recently. They have called us now to discuss there. So we'll discuss. After that only we will be finalize the candidate for the by-election. This is the MDA government. We are also a part of the MDA government. So that, if you are, the people have their own opinion. Their own opinion. Whether you are accept their opinion or not accept your opinion is up to our individual, but it is the opinion of the people. Own opinion. Somebody talking for good also, somebody talking for bad also. So that is the opinion of the individuals. But this time we are contesting separately.
Very confident on that?
Very confident, yeah. We are contesting, the BJP is contesting this election.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya